President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris continue to push their pro-abortion agenda online at its stops across the country. In fact, the White House confirmed today that the president will be speaking at an event on that very issue at the Howard Theater here in the nation's capital tomorrow. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Hi, Tracy, and good evening to you. No doubt they'll be pushing that agenda up until Election Day and well beyond. Now, President Joe Biden, who has more than 36 million followers on Twitter, was busy on social media calling for codifying Roe v. Wade. And Vice President Kamala Harris was scheduled to be in Los Angeles meeting with Planned Parenthood for what the White House calls a moderated conversation about protecting reproductive rights.
President Joe Biden arrives back at the White House after delivering more messages on social media. He recently tweeted, "The choice is clear," adding a graphic slamming Republicans and how they want to ban abortion nationwide, while writing, "Democrats want to protect reproductive rights." And Vice President Kamala Harris tweeted, "The fight for our fundamental rights, including the right to reproductive health care and abortion access, has never been more urgent." She told students in Detroit this past weekend,
"Women should be able to make decisions about their own bodies and not have their government tell them what they're supposed to do."
But Republicans pushed back, writing, "Democrats spent the entire summer ignoring Americans' everyday concerns so they could promote their extreme late-term abortion agenda. Now it's coming back to haunt them." And fully aware overturning Roe v. Wade did not end the decades-long battle, SBA Pro-Life America tweets, "Extremists in D.C. want to force all 50 states to allow abortion without limits." Meanwhile, inflation, high gas prices, and the war in Ukraine, where today waves of explosive-laden suicide drones struck Ukraine's capital, killing at least 4. The Biden administration has said it will support Ukraine for as long as it takes. And the White House press secretary told reporters,
"The most recent escalation, the United States strongly condemns Russia's missile strikes today, which continue to demonstrate Putin's brutality."
Also tonight, the results of a new AP poll, and listen to these numbers. A new poll shows 71% of voters heading to the polls in November think the future of the country is at stake. And about 8 in 10 registered voters say casting their ballots this year is either extremely or very important. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.